guys, I'm going to open my box. My face brush that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to read the instructions and charge it so I can start using it tonight. And the instruction packet. This is what it looks like. Open. Got the brush. And here's the stand. And I guess this is the box with the cords in it. Here's the cords. Here. So let me see. Okay guys, I read the instructions on how to charge my brush. So what I'm going to do is just take it and stick it in the stand. And then what I do is I just take this and plug it into here. And just plug it in the socket. And it says just hold it to it and it automatically sticks to it like a magnet. So it turned blue. Using it to see how it makes my face feel and, you know, just let you know if it's hard, soft, if it feels smooth, comfortable, abrasive, etc. So yeah, I'm excited. Uh-oh, my bad. Let me just go ahead on and put this down in here and let me just go ahead and let it charge. All right, so it's charging now. So I'm gonna let that be. Let it get used to its new home, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'll film it for you guys later. Okay guys, it's Monday night. Just getting home from the gym not too long ago. Just got out the shower, getting ready to clean my face. I'm gonna use my new brush that I unpackaged the other. Let it charge for over 12 hours or so. I gotta learn how to use this. I love this Olive Olay Gentle Cleanser because after I wash my face with it and use some Clean and Clear, it just feels smooth. So, anyway, I put a little bit of the Olive Olay facial cleanser on my brush. I'm going to see how it works. Well, the brush, it felt really good on my face. It was gentle. It wasn't, the bristles wasn't harsh or rough or didn't like cut my face or anything like that. It felt real gentle, real smooth. It actually felt good. I feel like it was massaging it, to be honest. I'm tired, y'all. I had a long day. Had a long day at work. This shower felt so good. I'm probably tired because I worked out. I did the treadmill. I did the elliptical. So, I don't know, for some reason, I do the elliptical, not the elliptical. I like to do the treadmill at a high incline and my speed not so fast. I saw the shape. But I gotta work my way up to the speed and again I get better, faster. But I'm gonna start from somewhere. I'm proud of myself. And I want my little waist train. My face feels so much better. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I know I am. A nice hot workout, nice hot shower, clean my face. I'm good. I think what I'm gonna do now is drink lemon ginger tea and call it a day.